I'm Ray. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Etoro. If you don't have an Etoro account yet, you can register using the link below in order to get a $30 bonus once you've deposited $100 and verified your account. You may use the $30 for trading. Once you log in, click withdraw funds over here on the left. And then makikita nyo dito yung available amount to withdraw. Click nyo lang ang question mark to view them. So makikita nyo dito your withdrawable balance, real funds in your balance, not invested funds, minus unsettled deposits available for withdrawal. Ibig sabihin nito that this is the balance na pwede nating i-withdraw. If meron kayong pending deposits, hindi siya kasama dito. And the minimum withdrawal amount is $30. Cash available is the total funds in your free balance, including real funds and Etoro credits. These funds are available for opening new trades and copy. So, ito yung amount na pwede nyong i-trade plus the credits that you earn from Etoro. One of which is yung $30 na makukuha nyo kapag nag-register kayo on Etoro using the link below. And of course, nakapag-verify kayo ng account and deposit at least $100. So, dito mapupunta yung $30 credits nyo. Next is cash equity. This number represents the total worth of your real funds, including invested and non-invested funds, plus yung unrealized profits and losses. So, yung mga nakuha niyong profits and losses upon closing a trade or a copy is mapupunta dito sa cash equity. Next is total equity. It is the total value of your account, including all invested and non-invested real funds and Etoro credits. Kumbaga, ito yung pinaka-total amount na meron sa Etoro account nyo. Okay, so balik tayo. By default, the amount listed is $30 because yun yung minimum amount to withdraw. So, let's say mag-withdraw tayo ng $500 because our available funds to withdraw is $1,065.16. By the way, if you go back and then click portfolio, makikita nyo din dito yung cash available, total invested amount, profits or losses nyo, and portfolio value. Okay, so balik ulit tayo sa withdraw funds. And let's withdraw $500. If you input an amount greater than the available funds to withdraw, magkaka-error. Okay, the fixed fee is $5. Kaya ideally, the larger the amount kapag mag-withdraw kayo, the better. Kasi sayang din yung fee. Whether i-maximize nyo yung available money nyo to withdraw versus yung minimum na $30, same pa din na $5 ang withdrawal fee. Okay, then click next. And then, mag-add tayo ng method for withdrawing. On this case, local online banking. Just type your name, your bank account number, bank name, branch name, bank city, and country. And then, if meron kayong i-add na additional information, which is optional. Okay, wala tayong i-add dyan, just click submit. And there, thanks, we've got your request. We've already processed our withdrawal request. Meron silang ibibigay na request ID. So, makikita nyo dito may fee na $5 and net amount converted to Philippine peso is 27,021.30 pesos. So, amount is still approximate. Rates may vary depending on the actual USD to PHP conversion at the time of the withdrawal. So, let's just click thanks. And then, if we go to portfolio, punta ka sa history up here. And then you can see yung kakagawa nating transaction, which is withdrawal. Makita nyo dito that it is under review. If gusto nyong bawiin yung withdrawal request nyo, pwede naman by clicking this reverse button or reverse link. If you do so, mababalik naman yung buong amount on your account, including the fees. So ayaw nating gawin yan. Let's just go back. Also, you will receive an email confirming your withdrawal request. Nakalist down dito yung amount ng withdrawal nyo and other details. Then you can just click this button to view your withdrawal request. Ayan. So, like we've seen earlier, ito yung action, withdrawal, amount is $500, status is it's still under review, and then you have the option to reverse. You may click this arrow on the right to view other details such as yung withdrawal fee and yung total amount na mawi-withdraw nyo. Depending on your payment method, this is the time to receive the funds after withdrawal request. So pag Etoro Money, instant withdrawal kapag credit or debit card up to 10 business days, bank transfer is up to 10 business days, PayPal up to 2 business days, NetTeller up to 2 business days, Skrill is up to 2 business days, Trustly is up to 2 business days, and Ideal is up to 2 business days. Ang pinili nating option is bank transfer. After a few days, babalikan natin to and then we will check when the amount was credited on my account. After a day, chinek ko yung status. As you can see here, processed na yung withdrawal request natin. And then meron tayong natanggap na email saying, this is to inform you that your BPI account has been credited upon the instruction of Etoro AU with the below details. Ayan. So, it didn't reach 10 business days. Kinabukasan na credit na yung amount sa account ko. And the total amount was 27,022 pesos. Like I said earlier, the net or converted amount na pinakita ni Etoro is an approximate amount. 27,021.30 yung estimate niya, but the actual was 27,022 pesos. And if we go and check my BPI account, ayan, makikita nyo na January 10 na process and transfer na siya. I hope you learned something from this video. In order to know more about financial tips or investments, don't forget to check these videos out. Also, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!